South Korean civic activists on Tuesday clamored against trilateral security cooperation with the United States and Japan. A group of activists from the Solidarity for Peace and Reunification of Korea chanted slogans near the South Korean Defense Ministry building, urging both South Korean and U.S. authorities to scrap the U.S. policy of extended deterrence. South Korean Defense Minister Lee Jong-sup and U.S. Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin had a bilateral meeting in the building, unveiling a joint statement that reaffirmed measures to enhance the implementation of U.S. extended deterrence. Lee and Austin agreed to hold a Deterrence Strategy Committee tabletop exercise in February, pledging to further expand and bolster the level and scale of this year's combined exercises and training. According to the statement, the defense chiefs also discussed measures to strengthen regional security cooperation, including South Korea, U.S., Japan trilateral security cooperation, agreeing to hold defense talks among the three countries at the earliest opportunity. A separate group of peace activists also gathered near the Defense Ministry building to protest against the trilateral military cooperation that would escalate tensions further on the peninsula.